there, everybody. Let's talk fair plan. So in California, fire hazard is a big deal. And for homeowners, in a lot of places, it's getting harder and harder to find insurance for your home. And many of you have to go to the fair plan. So I want to talk a little bit about that today so that you guys understand a little bit better and give you some tips of how to get faster responses and solutions from the fair plan that may help you out when you're buying a home, refinancing, or making sure your coverage is right. So first, a little bit, what is the fair plan? The fair plan was created in California to be a pool to help people who couldn't find insurance elsewhere get coverage. But what it is only a fire policy. So it's got a lot of limits that your home policy doesn't have. So in order to have a complete policy now, for many homeowners, you have to buy the fair plan policy and a wraparound policy to go together to give you all the pieces that you might have had of a home policy just a few years ago. In communities like El Dorado Hills and near us, those communities 5 years ago would buy homeowners insurance in the normal market. Now that's kind of where they're at. So that's just kind of a quick explanation of what the fair plan is. Now let's talk about how do you get a fair plan quote. Well, any agent can get you a fair plan quote. We all go to the same place. So if you've gotten one from one agent, like flood, you're going to get the same one usually from someone else, as long as the coverages are the same. But it takes time. So if you're refinancing, if you're buying a home and you know it's in an area that looks wooded like this or far from a fire department, check early. Talk to your realtor who probably knows. Get pictures. The fair plan wants pictures of your home, the address, the exterior, the roof. They want to see the condition and how fire protected it is, what kind of condition it's in, where the trees are at. Have you done tree trimming that may need to be done to get that insurance? All of those things, those pictures are going to tell, and they must be recent. The guide I give is pictures taken in the last 7 days of every angle of your home, the roof, the electrical panel, and make sure you're covering the trees that are around it, getting pictures. Give those to the agent preparing your fair plan quote. It will save you time. If you don't have the right things or not answering the questions, what could it do? It could delay your escrow. It could slow you down on that refi. It may even, unfortunately, affect your purchase or your interest rate. Now, I'm not a mortgage broker. I know people who do that, but all of those things, when you're trying to buy that home, all that stuff needs to be done. So I encourage you to get that early. As for the wraparound policies, a lot of your normal companies do that and can do that for you. Make sure those coverages match as best as you can. Get the things like water backup, personal property. If you need an umbrella, plan for those sorts of things. All of that together will help your home purchase be easier, more efficient, and so you can get home and enjoy the place that you want to live. So that's just a little bit about the fair plan. It's a challenge in California. Plan ahead, do the pictures, get the wraparound policy. All of those things are what all homeowners in California are having to work with who are in those high fire zones. If you're not sure, make sure you ask your real estate agent, and most important, ask your insurance agent or insurance company before you buy, before you make that offer about the home you're looking at. It'll give you a lot of peace of mind. So that's all I got for today. Have a good day.